How do atheist parents teach origins without creationism? Imagine explaining the universe's story to a curious child without relying on ancient tales or divine plans. Instead, you use facts, evidence, and scientific ideas that everyone can understand. That's what many atheist parents do when they talk about where everything comes from. They start with the idea that the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. This is a scientific theory that explains how the universe expanded from a very hot and dense state. They show children that scientists have gathered lots of evidence for this, like cosmic background radiation and the way galaxies move away from each other. Next, they explain how Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago through natural processes. They describe how particles in space clung together, forming a planet that cooled and developed an atmosphere. From there, life started through chemical reactions in the oceans, a process called abiogenesis. This means that simple molecules gradually became more complex, eventually leading to the first living organisms. A big part of teaching origins without religious stories is talking about evolution. Parents explain that all living things share common ancestors. Over millions of years, species change because of genetic variations and natural selection. For example, some animals develop better camouflage or adapt to their environments, helping them survive and reproduce. This process explains the incredible diversity of life we see today. To help children understand these ideas, parents often use age-appropriate books, documentaries, and science websites. They encourage questions and curiosity, teaching kids how to evaluate evidence and think critically. They emphasize that science is based on testing ideas and observing results, not on faith or beliefs. Parents also clarify the difference between scientific explanations and religious beliefs. They explain that science looks for natural causes that can be tested and proven, while religion often deals with faith and spiritual meaning. This helps children develop their own understanding and respect for different ways of thinking. Overall, teaching origins without creationism involves sharing facts, encouraging curiosity, and helping children see the natural world as a place explained by evidence. It's about fostering a love for learning and understanding how the universe and life came to be, all grounded in science and reason.